Here's the hard truth nobody tells new entrepreneurs. If your business isn't structured properly from the beginning, you're already slowing down your success. You can have $1 million idea, but if your foundation's wrong, banks won't trust you, lenders won't approve you, and you'll never get access to the kind of capital you actually need to grow. My name is Trevor Calais, former military veteran, and I'm the founder of Let's Go Hustle, where we've helped over 10,000 service members boost their benefits, turn their credit into capital, and their capital into cash flow with a done-for-you system that creates an additional $5 to $10K per month in extra income. I personally own over 40 vehicles that I never get to see because I've automated and delegated every part of that process, and each vehicle brings me in an additional $1,000 to $3,000 per car per month. The best part about this is anybody can do the exact same thing if they follow the systems and the strategies that we provide. And today I'm going to be breaking down exactly how to properly structure your LLC, why it matters for funding, credit, and assets, and how choosing the right setup, registered agent, and EIN structure can be the difference between being approved or denied for business capital. Here's what most people believe: an LLC is just paperwork. Once I register it, I'm good. That's the default belief, and it's the reason most people's businesses get flagged as high risk or get denied when applying for credit or funding. Because here's the reality: banks don't just look at your business idea, they look at your whole structure. The smallest inconsistency between your LLC and EIN can trigger red flags. The wrong setup can block tens of thousands of dollars in approvals. Your LLC is your business's identity, and just like personal credit, if it's sloppy or incomplete, it kills your trust factor. Think of it like this: your LLC isn't just a name, it's your business credit foundation. When structured correctly, it opens the door to business funding, asset acquisition, tax advantages, and legal protection. But if you mess up and you structure it incorrectly, it does the opposite and makes lenders walk away. You can't build a skyscraper on a cracked foundation, and your business is no different. Here's how you're actually going to structure your LLC the right way from the start. Step 1, choose the right state. We choose Florida, and here's why. Florida is one of the most business-friendly states in the country. There's no personal income tax, and it's easier to maintain compliances, renewals, and filings. The privacy protections and cost to benefit ratio are unmatched. It's literally one of the best ones out there. That's why Florida is one of the best states to register an LLC, especially for scaling businesses. Step 2, use a registered agent. Never skip this. Your registered agent is the most important piece of your legal structure. They actually act as your official business contact for legal notices, state filings, and compliance. They keep your personal information private and separate from your business. Banks and lenders see a registered agent as a sign of legitimacy. Never use your home address. It looks unprofessional, triggers red flags, and removes privacy. A professional registered agent keeps your structure clean, compliant, and credible. Step 3, match your LLC and EIN perfectly. Your business name, address, and ownership must be identical across your LLC filings, your EIN registrations, your DUNS if you have one, and business bank accounts. If any of those differ, even by a comma or an abbreviation, you'll get flagged as high risk. Banks see mismatched information as fraud potential, even when it's just a typo. So you have to make sure everything matches exactly, including punctuation, capitalization, and formatting. Step 4, set up your EIN the right way. Your EIN is your business's social security number. It needs to be tied correctly to your legal business name and structure, not your personal social security number. Here's the key: apply directly through the IRS. Ensure your business name matches the LLC filings exactly. When banks verify your business, they use your EIN and business name as your digital identity. If they don't match, your business gets flagged as risky, even if you did everything else right. Step 5, open a proper business bank account. Once your LLC and EIN are approved, open a business checking account under the exact same information. This is where your credit and capital relationships start. A well-structured account builds banking history, increases your approval odds for business credit cards and lines, shows lenders your business is legitimate and active. You have to follow those steps, right? But here's where most people mess this up. They register their LLC under their home address. They skip the registered agent to save $100 a year. They mismatch their EIN or use abbreviations that don't match the LLC filing, and they apply for funding before their business has any type of credibility. All of these mistakes make banks label you as high risk, no matter how good your business idea is. It's not about effort, people. It's about execution. Yo, Trevor Calais here, and I appreciate you for watching this video. Listen to me, guys. Information without action is worthless. You've got the benefits. Now it's time to actually execute. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035 right now, and let's make something happen. happen. I definitely have a system that can change your whole financial future. All you have to do is have a little bit of implementation. So keep grinding, keep hustling, and stay blessed. Now let's get back to the video. Here's the mindset shift. Treating your business like a business gets you treated like one. You can't expect six-figure funding and five-figure cash flow if you're still structuring like a hobby. Real entrepreneurs build real foundations. When your LLC is structured properly, the funding doors open. When your credit is optimized, lenders line up. When your business looks legitimate on paper, capital follows. When I started structuring my first few businesses, I made the same mistakes most people do. I rushed through filings, mixed personal and business info, and wondered why banks weren't approving me. Once I learned the right structure, clean LLCs, matching EINs, proper agents, business addresses, everything changed. The capital started flowing in, funding approvals went from denied to approved, and I used that same capital to scale my Turo fleet, invest in assets, and build Let's Go Hustle. Now I actually teach veterans and service members and 9-to-5 workers how to do the exact same thing, because it's not about being lucky, it's about being structured right. So let me ask you, have you been trying to grow a business without building the foundations first? Are you wondering why lenders, partners, or funding companies keep saying no, even though you've got a great business idea? Because the truth is, it's not that your business idea isn't good enough, it's that your structure isn't trustworthy enough. Fix that and the money starts finding you. If you knew that properly structuring your LLC with a real registered agent and a matching EIN and the right foundation could unlock thousands in funding and assets, wouldn't you do it right the first time? Doesn't it make more sense to learn from someone who's already built multiple businesses, scaled to 40+ assets, and helped over 10,000 people get it right? Because listen, if that is you, I want you to text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035. It's gonna come straight to my phone and I'll walk you through exactly how to structure your LLC properly so you can start building business credit, accessing capital, and growing the right way. Because I'm telling you right now, it's a lot smarter to start building businesses that banks trust instead of ones they actually ignore. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Peace. Have a great day.